how to create a Google Drive link to share files. It's actually very easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. To create a link for sharing files, you need a Google Drive app. If you don't have a Google Drive app, you can download it on Play Store or Apple Store. We need to open this app. If you're using Google Drive for the first time in your device, it will ask you to sign in with Google account. So just sign in with your Google account. After that, you will be taken here at the home page. Here you can actually upload the file directly, or if you want to create a folder for your file, you can go to Files. You can create a folder here for the file that you are going to share. Just click on the plus button here. Then click Folder. Just name it whatever you want and click Create. Here is my new folder. Let's click on it. Now to create a link for my file, I'm going to upload my file here. So let's click on the plus button. Then click Upload. The next step is to find the file that you're going to share. You may click on the three lines button here. You can upload any type of file you want. You can use your File Explorer to find it, or you can also use your gallery if you are uploading a picture. I'm going to use my File Explorer. My file is in the document folder. Here's the file that I'm going to upload and create a link for it. Let's click on it to upload and click Add. Then wait for your file to be uploaded. The upload is done, and to share this file, you need to click on the three dots button here. Please don't click on copy link directly because this file is currently private. No one can access it by default. To make someone or anyone will be able to access this file, we need to click on Share first. Then click on the Manage Access button here. Under General Access, it is currently restricted. You need to change it to Anyone with a link, so that anyone can access the file using a link you provide. For the access type, it is viewer by default. It means that someone has a link can only view or download the file, but cannot comment or edit. A commenter can view and comment, while an editor can view, comment, edit, and even delete the file. So I'll just keep it to viewer. After doing it, go back and click on the three dots button again. This time, we can now click on Copy Link to copy the link of this file. After copying it, you can now go paste and send this file to someone you are sending the file to. This is now the Google Drive link of my file.